Hi, this is Trey from Birmingham Now, and today we're making Birmingham's famous breakup cookie with all these ingredients from Kroger Delivery. For this, we're gonna need 8.5 ounces of cake flour, 8.5 ounces of bread flour, 1¼ teaspoons baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of coarse salt, 1 1/4 cups of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of light brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 pound of bittersweet chocolate. First off, we're gonna sift all of our dry ingredients into a separate bowl. That'll be our flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. So then we wanna cream our butter and our sugar, and that'll do it. So we are going to add in our eggs one at a time now. Now that my eggs are fully incorporated, we're gonna add in the vanilla. Now we're going to incorporate our dry ingredients on a low speed. And at a certain point, you're gonna transition over to hand mixing, and then we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. Add to your heart's desire. And we're looking for a size a little bit larger than a golf ball, so we're gonna ball these up and put them on the tray. Now we're gonna put them into a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Yeah, the Birmingham Now team is gonna really enjoy these. Thanks again to Kroger Delivery for helping us put this amazing treat together.